I got an '04 Camry in the shop here. You can see it's got some peel and clear coat on the hood and on the roof. Front bumper also. But purpose of this video is this thing had been repaired previously. I don't know if you see right here, and it's on both sides. You see this blend right here. Same spot on the other side. Right here. See that little faded area? That's a clear coat blend. That's when people try to, you can use a clear coat blender, which actually I got some here. I don't like using that for this reason, that what you just saw right there. Here it is. So this is an Exalta brand clear blender. What you do with that is typically you would do a whole panel. And on this car, the quarter panel, the rear quarter back here. So I'm going to guess it was already peeling clear because this is nice new clear on the quarter. But it continues up and clear around the roof line and down the front A-pillar. So instead of clearing that last little bit, they do that blender right here, and then they'll buff that out. But it always will fail, just like it did here. It will always look like this at some point, but even if it looks okay originally, that's why I do not like using clear blender. I think it's a cop out. Obviously I have used it in the past and I just did not like the way it turned out. I would much rather go ahead and finish this whole thing out. So for this customer, I'm going to go ahead and redo this A-pillar. It just, I hate the way that looks. We got a little more clear right here that's peeling on this side anyway, on this edge. So I'm going to go ahead and redo that for him. But I just wanted to share that. Clear blender, no. Thanks.